Hello guys, today I'm going to show you me motion activated night light too. So these are useful for your cupboards or else racks, because in the night time if you want to take any items or if you want to check any items which doesn't have any light and you don't want to disturb anyone, these lights are very useful. You can place it in your almaras or in your cupboards as well. And Let's unbox this and check what's inside the box. So this is how the light looks like. I'll leave the link in the description for this light. You have to remove the upper shell by opening it. You have to place like three batteries. So batteries are not provided. You have to purchase it outside, and you have to place it, and you can stick it there. Here is the sticker. With the sticker you can stick it. So let's check it. So after placing the batteries, this is how it looks. This works with the sensor. It comes with the motion detection. No, it's not on. Let's check it after placing it over there. So you can see with motion sensors only it automatically turned on. So with this in the rack in dark rooms or dark cupboards, so this light is useful to check any items. So hope that guys you like this video. Please comment and subscribe for my channel for more tech and auto related updates. Thank you. So there are like two brightness options in this. So this is on the high setting. This is magnetic. You can remove this light. So the after placing the holder. So in this you have to open this. In that you will get two light settings. You can place it and you can just divert it to any side as you like. You can see. So it's very good light.